Hello, hello, this is Angela with Dogwood Paper Arts. Welcome to my channel. Thought I would catch up on what I was talking about in my latest video, and that was that I have gotten all my bead boxes in that shelf right there, in those little plastic boxes up there. Those boxes were all down here on this shelf, and they were 2 deep and stacked tight all the way up, all the way across. So I've taken out about 10 boxes and have gotten all my beads into all of those. So that's a good start. Up there, I've moved all my packing boxes down, and those 3 boxes right up there, 1, 2, 3, those are all Christmas. So they'll come down pretty soon. And then I have that one up there that is books or journal covers that I've made, and then just storage up there. And then, of course, just things. I'm still thinking about all my punches. A big part of me wants to just get rid of them and just use my dies. Some paints. Those are washcloths, scrubby cloths that are going to be on my Etsy soon, I hope. And then, of course, more lace and stuff that goes to, some is going to Etsy and some's going in the cupboard. All my alcohol inks and sprays and little beads up on top. So I'm organizing my shelves today. Let me get down here so we can talk about this area. This shelf and this shelf were packed full of books. So packed that it looked to me like the shelf was bowing. So I have gotten rid of most of my books, and I have the rest down here. Now these are the books I don't use very often right now. So I will be those are just down there for storage, and the books that I'm immediately using are right up there on that top shelf there in those 2 crates. Those are the ones that I like to use quite often. So now all my Etsy stuff that is for sale is on that shelf there. My packing boxes are there. And then down below there in that big plastic box is a bunch of stuff that goes to my Etsy shop. And those are not listed yet. And there's 2 boxes back in there, 3 boxes that are not listed. And there's a bunch of golden books. Those are going to my Etsy. Now I gotta stand up. So these boxes are where I am headed next. These, I think they're called iris boxes. They are full of 12 by 12 papers. And there's kits that aren't put away. So this is where I'm headed next, is to get through all of these. The idea is that all the paper I have in there, and all the paper that I have in these boxes here, anything that's paper, is going to go into the 12 by 12 boxes. And I also have paper over here, down on the bottom. I want all of that paper in the 12 by 12 boxes. So a lot of my stuff I have decided I'm going to box into boxes and have them ready to ship. And they'll just need a shipping label. So I will be selling it by the box full for 12 by 12 and different types of papers and stuff, because I have 12 by 12 or 14 by 14 by 3-inch boxes that I'll be packing the stuff into, and they will be sold that way. So right now, that's where I'm at with my organization. It's going slow, but everything I'm going through, I'm going into it very deep, and I am getting rid of it. My big embroidery machine is going to my son that does quilting. I'm just not using it, so he's a quilter, and he'll do good with it. So that'll be my sewing center over there. He'll bring back the other machine that we traded, and so it'll go there, right there. On my desk, well, it's actually getting clearer. Those are some bead boxes back there that I have to finish. Those will have chain in them. So I have a lot of chain I want to get put away. And then, of course, right back in there, those are beads that I am keeping also. And I just love the way they look like right there. So anyway, this down here are my, right now, those are ledgers. I've got 3 of them down there. But that is my working box. That's the coffee dyed papers and different papers that I'm using immediately in journals. So I keep it right there so I can grab them out. And then in here is more paper supplies. And I want to get that into 12 by 12 boxes. So, and that's all the paints I have left. Just the 3 on the bottom and then some supplies right there. I would like to get those out of there and put them in a box in there somewhere so that I can get them out of the... I want to get rid of some of these cabinets. Not cabinets, but plastic organizer boxes. I just found that I was tired of, I'm tired of just having too many areas. So, slimming it down. I'm happy about it. And I just, you know, need to do that. This is something else I'm going to put on my Etsy. I have a huge collection. This is not even half of them, of beaded handbags. And these will be going on my Etsy shop. They're so pretty, aren't they? That one is falling apart. Look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? Anyway, I collected them since 1979, I believe. And yeah, it's just time to let them go. Now this one I might just keep because it was my mom's. I have a $10 price in it, but I always liked it when I was a kid. Had some of her stuff in it. And look at that one. Isn't that beautiful? These are going on my Etsy, I hope, this week. There's just so many. They're so pretty. So I have those. That is another Etsy box. Those will be individually priced. I'm not going to price them very high because I want to get rid of them. And then here's all those chain dangles that I've been making. Little angels. Yeah. Here's a little fan card I made for my mom. So anyway, that is where I'm at. It's been a lot of work, and I'll be happy to get this L shape cleaned up and get a new desk. You can't tell it from here, but my art table has a bow right in the middle. So I want to purchase an L-shaped desk that'll go in here, and it'll be a little less wide. This is like a dining table. It's been heavy duty. It's been great, but it puts me back further for making things, because here's the camera there, and it comes down and doesn't take up to the front part of the desk there. So it means I have to work back in there, you know, about 4 inches back to be under the camera. That's why I get out of camera so often. So anyway, that's where I'm at. I just wanted to show you. Instead of just talk about it, I wanted you to see it for yourself. And so that's next. I probably should get that cleaned off a little bit first, because I'm going to have to use it to put stacks of paper on. But that's where I'm headed next. And tomorrow is taking a bunch of stuff to the Teen Challenge to get rid of it. I have stacks out in my computer area, and I'll be glad to get it going, to get it out, and get working again. I miss working in here. Well, actually, I'm really working in here right now, because it's been a lot of work. So, have you guys ever tried these stencil butters? Oh gosh, I love them. They are so cool. So, anyway, I will let you go. Look at these beautiful beads. Joann's and Hobby Lobby and Michael's. And some more dangles. Things I want to make. Those funny supplies that take up lots of space in a drawer. There they are. And punches. I have lots of punches that I'm getting rid of. Lots. These are the ones I had planned on keeping, but I'm kind of, you know, talking myself out of it, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers with more punches, and I'm never going to use them all. It's time for me to let them go. So, okay, well, I sure appreciate you, and I hope that, I hope to get through it and just let you know what's going on. And anyway, hi all, this is me, the real me. Yeah. All right, guys, I love you. See you soon. Bye.